You must be excited about the season. Baseball's, I've been doing it, but it's hard. It's hard to do DraftKings with baseball. Every day, you know, the worst team in the world can beat the Yankees or Houston on any given day.
Yeah, it's almost like the NFL. I mean, I love baseball, but nothing like football season. This is such a great time of year. And, you know, what a great way to kick off with the Thursday night game. We're running an awesome promotion where if either team, you bet on either team, if they go up by 7 at any point in the game, you just get paid out right away. Doesn't matter if they end up winning or what happens. So,
wait a minute. I didn't see that. Really? Is it maximum $25?
I don't know what the max is. I have to check, but you should go check it out. It's pretty cool promotion.
That is a good promotion. Well, speaking of promotions, you guys are all after the, you know, maybe not necessarily the same people, but there certainly is a lot of competition, which makes it hard to make a lot of money. How's that going right now? The heady days of when things were getting legalized in different states and the multiples ran up, it's a tough business right now. Where are you in terms of how much money you're making and everything else? What you expect to make, what kind of growth you expect to see, and how expensive is that growth?
Well, the growth has been tremendous. We had, you know, a huge quarter last quarter, looking forward to a big back half of the year. I actually think it's quite different this year. I think last year around this time, it was very much the way you're saying. It was sort of the peak of it almost, maybe last NFL season. But it's much more rational now. A lot of the competitive spending is really tapered. And, you know, I think companies are moving more towards a path to profitability, whereas last year that wasn't even a discussion at this point. So, you know, I think that's kind of where the market is. It's the evolution we expected. Obviously, with a lot of states opening up, there's big land grab. The growth still is tremendous. So as we move towards our own path to profitability, we're still expecting really big growth numbers. You know, that's not going to slow down. So I think it's kind of going where we thought it would. And I think this year is just way more, you know, rational from a competitive standpoint.
So the more states that open up the DraftKings, is that important on that path? Or is that solely what you need, or innovation, or what else do you need?
I think it's really more execution. Obviously, more states will help us grow our top line. It also means more investment, though. So, you know, we've often said that if you had no new states come out, we get profitable pretty quickly because, you know, the states that we're in, as they get to that 2-3 year mark, they start to kick off real cash flow. And we have several states. We have 10 that should be contribution profit positive this year. But those are offset by new states like Kansas, which just launched a week ago. So, you know, really, it's less about new states from a profitability standpoint. Definitely, you know, from a market size and then ultimately top line standpoint, it's about new states. But right now, we're growing quickly in the states we're in. And, you know, I think our path to profitability is really not dependent on states. That's much more about how big can the business get.